Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of your preferred broth, either chicken or vegetable, to form the flavorful base. Next, prepare 1 cup of vibrant yellow vegetables, such as diced carrots and sweet corn, which will add both color and texture. Finally, ensure you have 1/2 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk on hand to give your soup a wonderfully rich and creamy consistency. These ingredients are key to our easy method. Now, let's get cooking with our quick preparation steps. Begin by sautéing some diced onions and minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are fragrant and softened. This builds a foundational flavor. Then, pour in your broth and add the prepared yellow vegetables, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. For a creamier soup, you can blend about 1/2 of the mixture before returning it to the pot. We're almost ready to enjoy our delicious yellow soup. For the finishing touches, gently stir in your 1/2 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Heat the soup gently for 2 to 3 minutes, being careful not to bring it to a boil once the cream is added, as this can cause it to separate. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Finally, garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or chives for a beautiful presentation before serving warm. And there, you have it, your very own homemade yellow soup, made with our easy method. This recipe typically yields about 4 generous servings, perfect for a family meal or for enjoying throughout the week. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. They reheat beautifully. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your comforting and flavorful soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.